Members, we have one other member that needs to refuse Senate amendments and request to go to conference committee. That bill is on page 5, bottom of page 5, and is House Bill 3750. It's the intention of the chair to recognize Mr. Kemple. Chair recognizes Mr. Kemple.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I bring up House Bill 3750 with Senate amendments.
Chair lays out House Bill 3750 with Senate amendments and recognizes Mr. Kemple to explain the Senate amendments.
Mr. Speaker.
Ms. Weiner, for what purpose?
To raise a point of order against this bill on the basis of Rule 11, Section 2, that the amendment is not germane.
Please bring your point of order down front. Representative Zwiener raises a point of order against further consideration of Senate amendments to House Bill 3750 under Rule 11, Section 2 of the House Rules on the grounds that the amendments are not germane. As the bill left the House, it related solely to prohibiting a city from adopting water quality regulations in the city's extraterritorial jurisdiction that impose requirements in excess of those required under federal law. The Senate adopted floor amendment number 2 by Campbell that would restrict a city's authority to impose a fine or fee that applies in an area in the extraterritorial jurisdiction that has either been disannexed from the city or was subject to a failed annexation attempt by the city. Senate floor amendment number 2 addresses fines and fees for matters far beyond the scope of the original narrow House engrossment. Therefore, the Senate amendments are not on the same subject as the House engrossment. Accordingly, the point of order is well taken and sustained. The chair directs the chief clerk to return the bill to the Senate for further consideration.